The companion documents are similar to the documents created by the Teaching and Learning Department. On the right side is the graphic showing each segment of learning and the suggested time for instruction. On the right-hand side, there are headings that correspond to each segment with bulleted guidance on how to specialize instruction during the segment. The headings are hyperlinked for access to a few example resources that may be used to support students during each segment. To reach the file, click on the hyperlink and you'll be taken to a file for phonics that has 3 or 4 resources available to help you understand some good examples of specialized instruction. Simply click on the link and you'll access the resource. This is true for each heading on the document. Again, these are just a few quality examples, not an exhaustive list. For support with any of the resources mentioned, please have your SSA reach out to the program support specialist for your school.